Hello everyone, this is cameraman Sajeev. I know it's been a while, but I've got something special for you today. My friend's Mercedes C250d AMG edition. Guys, do bear in mind, I'm not a car reviewer. I'm just showing you my friend's car because I like the look of it. He's done so much work to it, so I just want to share it with you. So, enjoy. I'm going to do a full walk around first, then I'll show you some details. The first thing I want to show you is this badge. It's very unique. Obviously it's red and it's customized. But the other thing is that it has a LED light built in. So at night time, when you turn the car on and off, the alarm will light up and stay on for a little bit. We've obviously got the AMG badging here. The other unique point is the private plates. Kiss.com. Don't type that into the browser though. If you compare the standard C250d and you check out this grille, it's not the same. Again, this is an add-on. The other modification to this car is the front bumper. As you can see, the standard one only comes up to the silver. Now on this one you've got the add-on lip at the bottom. The wheels are 19-inch with one flat low profile tires. Again, that's another modification, plus the center cap has been color coordinated with the front badge and it's red, and as you can see it's got the rim protector on the wheel, so you won't damage it as you run past the curbs. As you can see, all the window trim used to be silver on the standard spec. On this one, he's de-chromed it black. Again, the rear badge has been modified as well. He's wrapped it red to match with the front badge. Another upgrade that's been done to the car is the rear light cluster has been tinted. As you can see, that's again not standard. Another upgrade is the boot spoiler. Again, another upgrade to the rear window spoiler. I keep saying upgrades, the entire car has been updated really. This car is fitted with the intelligent headlights. As you go around the bend, it follows the curve of the road. So now let's have a look at the interior, see what else he's going to do. It has a nice little LCD screen in the middle for information, and it's got traditional dials left and right for your speedo and the rev counter. Again, the steering wheel is standard, nothing's done to it yet. It's got AMG branding, Mercedes logo, and controls on both sides for radio and navigation and things like that. The next upgrade for this car will be the infotainment screen. So that's going to be upgraded in the next couple of days, and I'll bring back another video showing you that once it's done. Currently it's the factory screen, and it has its uses, but we want a better, bigger screen, so that's what he's going to do next. The only thing I don't like at the moment is this traditional clock. I don't know, to me it doesn't suit the car really in this modern age, but again that's personal preference, to be honest, isn't it? So you got here the infotainment controls, parking buttons and whatnot on this center panel beside the driver. It has full leather interior. I like the red color, it's pretty nice. It's got emergency SOS controls on your light, interior light controls up in the ceiling. It does have a panoramic roof. I will open it and show you. There it goes. See the sky. Press it again and opens the sunroof. Everything I'm showing you is not all upgraded systems, it's just whatever is in the car I'm showing you. Some people might want to see it. There we go. Just close that up. And the next one more press, it will close the little fabric shade. There we go. This is a keyless entry. So you got your push button to start the engine. There we go. The engine is a 2.2 twin turbo. It can do 0 to 60 in 6.4 seconds. The pause there was because I asked my friend what it is. I don't know by heart. It's got a Burmester speaker system in the car. I've not heard of the brand before, but it looks amazing and it sounds out of this world really. The infotainment system has all the traditional radio, navigation, media, telephone control, vehicle options visible on the screen. And you have the little dial here to control it and your little joystick pad there. So this is what's going to be upgraded in the next few days. Looking forward to it. These are the controls for the full electric seats. So you get your forward, back, your lumbar support, your headrest, everything, and it can be programmed for individual drivers. So if you and your wife have different settings, you can program into 1 and 2. So you'll be all ready. Once you press it, it will move to that position. This is an unusual place for a button to open your boot. Traditionally it's in the car itself, but on this one it's on the door. That's nice. The detailing on the seats are nice. Again, it's full leather. This is a fully automatic gearbox, but you still have the option of driving as a manual using the paddle shifters. So you got one on this side and you got one on this side, so you get your plus there and your minus there. Again, here is the amazing custom grille he's done. Look at it. I'm going to add some night shots in so you can see how good it looks at night as well, with the glowing light on the badge. Location change. This is the old 10-inch infotainment screen. Finally, the infotainment screen has been upgraded. Now it's a 12.4-inch screen with loads more features. You can't get this upgrade from Mercedes. This is made by a third-party company. What this screen allows you to do is see all the menu functions what the factory infotainment screen used to show you, plus all the built-in Android functions as well. I'll show you some of the functionalities the screen can do, so my friend will slide through them now. You get a digital dial screen where you can see the rev counter and the speedometer. Watch the needle when you rev the engine. We can then go into the app drawer. Here we can see all the familiar Google apps. You can link your phone wirelessly to this device as well. You can watch widescreen HD movies on this device, but do bear in mind it is illegal to watch while driving. But this device will let you watch, or the passengers can watch. Actually, it will play the new H.265 format videos. I can't play the original sound coming out this video due to copyright. Another key feature of this infotainment system is that you can add an external hard drive where you can store all your movies and music. You can use the original touch controls in the center console to navigate through the menus on the screen. You can use the controls to zoom in and out of Google Maps. Inside the center armrest is where you plug in your USB pen drives and hard drives. There is a center speaker on the dashboard behind the screen. This is not an upgrade, I just wanted to share it with you. It's part of the original fittings. Now I'm going to show you all the sound system upgrades he's done to the car. It's all fitted in this boot space. Interior speakers are factory speakers. Here we have two 12-inch Alpine subwoofers in a custom enclosure. The power output for this is 3000 watt RMS. Once you lift up the subfloor, you will see the hidden amps and crossovers. This is the beast of an amplifier running the two subs. It's an Alpine amp as well. These are all the upgrades I can share with you at the moment. Any future upgrades, I'll come back with another video. Not sure what else I can show you. As I told you already, I'm not really a car fanatic. I like cars. I just wanted to show you my friend's car because he's done a lot of modifications to this. I keep looking at the screens. Again, I should be looking at the lens, so do apologize for that. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've made it this far, congratulations. If you have any feedback for me, either negative or positive, leave a comment down below, or you can contact me via Instagram. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe. So most of the people who watch my videos aren't subscribed to me, so I advise you to please subscribe. It's free, but it helps me out a lot. I know you guys can do it to get me over the 10k mark. This is cameraman Sajeev signing out.